How to install Jupyter Notebook or Anaconda in our system. Let's find out. So to install Anaconda or Jupyter Notebook, which will come with Anaconda only, all you have to do is go to your Chrome or any browser you have and go to anaconda.com. And when you will go to anaconda.com, you will get this page. Or if you are watching after, or if there is any change, the whole layout will be changed, but the process will be same. But you will get this page, and all we have to do is just go through once, like see, explore what is Anaconda all about. And here you will get all the documentation and everything. You will see why it is widely used in our data science, or how or why people prefer Anaconda. So after checking that out, just go to get started. When you will go to get started and click on it, you will get a second window which will have different kinds of link. Just go to install Anaconda individual edition. When you will click there, you will get some documentation, some resource, or some different kind of informations there. And just go, if you want to read it, just read it, but if you want to install it, just come down to that page and you will get the links for installation in your for your system. For Windows, there is 64-bit graphical installer, 32-bit graphical installer. For Mac OS, there is 64-bit graphical installer, 64-bit command line installer. And for Linux, you will get a 64-bit installer and 64-bit Power 8, Power 9 installer. For me, I will install for Windows. I will go to 64-bit graphical installer. After clicking that, the download will start automatically. It will take time to download. Once it get downloaded, just click on it and you will get an Anaconda Navigator, where you will get Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, you will get PyCharm, you will get Qt console, you will get RStudio, you will get different kinds of software, different kind of editors.